It is almost impossible to believe that it is now July and the summer is almost spent. I hope that you guys have had a great time this summer. It has been really a blessing for our family to have some downtime, to see the kids as they're growing really start to express themselves, start to do more mature things. All of them are working, and it's fun to grow up. It really, really is. So those of you that have little still, just every stage has so much wonderful things going for, so many wonderful things going for it. And David and I really have thought each stage is our favorite as we grow up with them and see them grow and learn and so on. This month, though, I wanted to keep everything really practical, super, super, super practical, because as we are, kind of really in the throes of our summer and kind of starting to gear up for next year, I wanted to just give you some really good ideas and tips and tricks that you can use throughout your school year. So that's what you're going to see this month in Teach Them Diligently 365. So do not miss a week.